Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Krishna. Welcome to another stream. And I found out, I finally figured out how to listen to Spotify without violating the copyright laws on YouTube. I mean, I have this upbeat, which you are probably hearing. And I'm listening to my own playlist. But thanks to this beautiful wavelength mixer, I'm not streaming my Spotify, I'm only streaming the browser's audio. So sorry about that. You have to listen to these boring upbeat songs, and I have the juicy Spotify beats. Something I wanted to set up first, because I'm always struggling with comments in the stream. I think I had this in the beginning. Wow, that's funny. Doesn't make big of a difference here, so I have to make it right here. Still can't listen to it too much, otherwise I cannot talk. Something that I want to figure out is how can I stream? Yeah, consistent, I'm not so sure. 50-50. 50? No, half. I'm half. I agree, half. Because yeah. I don't know, man. I don't agree that I'm not consistent. So what I want is, I mean, this is a stream chat, and I had it once, or was it on Firefighter Division chat? What? Because I have this what's it called, server bot, which has access to Discord and my YouTube, I guess. And or was it Restream? No, it was Restream. Oh, it was not with the server bot. It was with Restream. Yeah, so the streaming was over Restream, and then Restream would write here the messages from whatever you would write in the disk in YouTube. And that was cool because I was notified, and yeah. So because I don't want to use Restream because they have a pricing. I think with one channel it's wow, come on, your pricing is an image? Are you seriously? Okay. Okay. I thought it was just a PNG. Okay, so multi-stream on 2 channels. I only want to stream 1 channel. Multi-stream on 3 channels. No watermark. Yeah, you have the watermark. Yeah, that's how I did it. It would be kind of cool. Something that I've been missing is like a notification. Like, oh, timestamps are helpful as well. So I have this OBS Studio here, and I have this YouTube integration. Sorry for this endless loop here. But I want to figure out a way that I get notified when there's someone is writing a message. Like that would be really helpful. Then I don't have to look over all the time because I don't have so many. I mean, I have at least two screens. I'll get Google. No, I'm not using Google. Yeah, I'm using Google also. I assume. Yes, for streaming. Activate a get notified for new comments in the live stream chat. Also. Let's see what we get. Okay. Browser source. Yeah, then, yeah, okay, then we see the chat in the live stream, but that's not what I want to do. Display on screen lights for new comments. Yeah, I mean, you can see the chat as well. What it thinks that I want to show this chat on the side. Because I'm seeing that, I mean, what I could do, the one cheap method would be, I would have something like this. Oops. But that's also like yeah. I mean, I have a 4K monitor, so it would be still okay. But then I don't have the apps on full screen, so that's also not nice. Not really an option. I guess we have to think of a third-party app like Streamer Bot. Keep customization complex estimation directly. Discord. Okay. Streamer Bot. Let's look at Streamer Bot. Yeah, I might try that. Okay. Damn, what? No copyright? What do you mean? Yeah, so the problem when you listen to normal Spotify on the stream is that you get copyright claims. Because I don't have the rights to use them in the videos. And so they would Yeah, that would be not fun. But yeah, I'll check out the streamer bot. Is there any pricings? Do we just get this for free? I want to search it on Google. Okay. Why is it free? There a catch to it? Are you using StreamerBot, Krishna? Ah, the StreamerBot. I don't know what exactly it is. It might be a third party that you can like have between your stream. Like now I use OBS to stream to YouTube. It has it. For those multi-streaming or just not using Switch streaming but gained YouTube support in version 0.18. YouTube integration with StreamerBot allows you to capture all the events you expect from YouTube, such as chat messages and memberships. And send chat messages. Okay, so maybe you can use it like as a... Okay, it's also broadcast software. Create movie. Okay, I will use it on the side of OBS. Actions, sub-actions, triggers. Oh, you can even do scripting, WebSockets. Okay, webhooks. What about Discord? Yeah, I want to know more about this. I got the Stream Deck, okay. Will you try Kick AR Twitch? Try Kick AR Trick. What is AR Twitch? What is Kick AR Twitch? Ah, Kick or Twitch. What is Kick? A streaming platform? Okay, yet another streaming platform. Great. No, I will not try it. No, thanks. I'll stick with YouTube for now. I didn't even know about Kick. Okay. No, I don't even have a Twitch account. Maybe old school with that. Very old school one. Pretty famous. I mean, at the end of the day, all this configuration and stuff, quite a hustle. So I stick with YouTube for now. Probably enough hustle. Okay, so last time. Yeah, I mean, in the end, I don't have to live from this stream Like I don't have to like create income from it, which is great. So then I have to maximize my audience to the max, I guess. So voila. And I think YouTube is still one of the most one of the best or one of the most used sources that people go to for YouTube tutorials, like or instructions. And so I think this is still where I should belong. So yeah, why bother something else? But yeah, good to know. What are you right now? Job in tech? Yeah, I'm actually a research assistant at an institute for medical informatics. So I'm programming like called e-health apps or like related to healthcare. Okay, we don't have much time. Haha. I have 45 minutes left. Or less. Just less. Because I'm trying to be in bed at 23:00 here, and no screen time is in 42 minutes. Kind of a new thing we try with my wife. To go to bed earlier. Yeah, because don't go to bed. You will end up like me at some point, just being tired all the time. I mean, it's also a bit from cycling. Today I was cycling like 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago I was cycling. And I still feel it in my legs, man. Anyways, let's get to it. So we are still working on this custom navigation path. I cannot believe it. But that's life, man. Getting tired. Yeah, talking about tiredness. Everyone getting tired. I'm not that kind of a person that makes like a stream overexcited, I think. But voila. Like I watch sometimes streams and I like, what? It's like, oh no. Okay. So what we've been working on is show you. Yeah, that happened since last time. Suddenly we have unreachable. And suddenly it's reachable. It's because of the height. Okay. Oh, the rebel footprint has not been assigned. Okay. Footprinter. Footprints. Ah, yeah, that must be assigned. So this is actual controller as well. Ah, it's in the controller. Okay, but this is not a controller. This is just footprinter. Footprints. Why do you have also a script? Okay. Maybe that's why it didn't work last time. So last time was a bit of a rush because we also yeah, I started stream late because I mean life with kids is unpredictable, so sometimes stream starts a little earlier, sometimes it starts later. So here we are. And I left a bit in a hectic. Footprint controller. Or is this one? Ah, the footprinter controller. Okay, so we have the footprinter. The footprinter is kind of a self-independent object, which is just in this scene somewhere for testing. We forgot quite a lot of things for this because we're always a bit in a rush. I'm just thinking of starting streaming too, just coding and learning. Why not, man? Maybe people watch you and hang around. Sometimes I'm streaming and then so someone pops in and asking questions. Oh, it happens rarely, but why not? It creates some nice exchange. There was when I do more exciting stuff on the stream, like this has been going on now forever, this navigation path. Before people would join more and they would like be, no, I think I would do this different, or hey, why not do it that way? And that was like a constant learning experience also for me, which is kind of cool. So why not? Okay, so the footprint controller, this is kind of, so the footprinter, the idea of the footprinter is that we can drag it around anywhere in the scene and it will print footprints on the on this ground, on this mesh, or over it, and then this would be like your guiding line. Oh, to be precise, the footprinter is only an object, and when I drag it, let's start it. When I drag it around, it draws this footprint around, okay? Now what we want is that the footprint controller is actually pulling this footprinter object before our camera, because our camera is the user that is walking, and then the footprinter is walking 2-3 meters before it, or like here feet spawn distance 3 meters, then you can follow this footprints. Idea. Agreed, man. That's the reason. Oh, reason I'm streaming? So the reason why I'm streaming, because a lot of people asked me to make in-depth tutorials about the in the navigation app, and I thought I'm not gonna make like step-by-step tutorials, because then you start editing, you start to make it look good, kind of like a tutorial, and so I didn't want to do that, so I had this idea about the live stream, and I thought that's and it kind of made it fun, more fun, like not me in silence preparing the tutorials and then publish it, which is also would be great, but not with the available time and energy I have. So kind of it's a compromise. No, not compromise. Kompromiss in German. Compromise. Aha. Compromise. I don't hear the browser. I turned the browser off for me. How do you say that? Compromise. Isn't compromise something else? To compromise information? Make the best of a bad job. Nice. Take no prisoners. Isn't to compromise something like bad? Gefährden, schaden, compromise something. That's weird that you use the same word for this. Yeah, that's weird. Eh? That's weird. It's like the middle of a good and a bad decision. What I mean, like, good and bad decision. Like, you cannot go the ideal way. You not want to do it, not do it, so you just take the middle road. You know what I mean? Okay. No more blah blah. Let's get to the coding. And one thing you have to know, I don't prepare for streams because, voila, life and stuff. So I just come to the stream to work on this, okay? I hope you're fine with that. Middle of good and bad. Okay. So one problem with this I found now that we have not considered until now is obviously never in your application you can have just a flat ground like this. I mean, this is great. This is working, but what about steps? Like stairs? I have not thought about this at all. Ooh. Because eventually what I have is I have this nav mesh. Where's the nav mesh? This is the nav mesh. Yeah, that's the nav mesh baked. Baked nav mesh, but what is this? Footprint floor. Okay, and this has the floor. Now let's try something. Why is this not even on 0? Oh, it's because this is on 0. Oh, those are... Yeah, those are those funny looking things going through the floor are the obstacles, nav mesh obstacles. I'm gonna try an experiment. Cube. Where's our cube? Let's hide our canvas. Where's our cube? Is our cube? Serious? Ah. Because this one is scaled. Yeah, that can be not so good sometimes if you play with the object and put something on the parent as a child. Okay, so I kind of already know what will happen. Because I remember in the script that was, I think, mostly generated by Claude AI for the footprinting. I've not considered this use case. So if you have a stairs, by the way, is there a stair component? Probably not. I know in what's the game, the 3D object plugin. That's been a while I've used it. There's not a stair, but there would be one. Don't remember, but anyways, we just quickly make something our own. Let's create some fake stairs. They're kind of steep. Make them more flat. I mean, no architect would do it like this, but this is for testing. Voila. What I expect to happen is that we only will see footprints on the horizontal lines, not on those, which kind of makes also sense. When you walk up the stairs, you don't see footsteps on the. You don't walk on the vertices. Let's see what happens. They all have layer. Oh no, they don't. Of course, this is default layer. We can assign floor. The only problem I'm concerned about is the footprinter will not go up by itself. I mean, obviously with the line. Oh yeah, with the line it would go up. Because if it would follow the line of the agent path, then this would work. Let's test it. Let's see. Where's a footprinter? And something that should happen. Oh, that works. They're going into this. They are a child of footprints. Oh, that's good. That works now. Okay. Ah, there's one. Yeah, so the problem probably is should go up. Yeah, man. The problem is how I'm gonna drag this up and forward at the same time. You know what I mean? Let's see how far this goes. Is it still working up here? I don't know what the distance is. Okay, so testing. Go up the stairs. It's a bit working. Let's make the stairs a bit wider. No, actually go just like this. Can we have a second scene? And then split the screen. Window, no. General, scene. Add tab, scene. Oh, come on. There you go. Okay, so I want to have... Oh, that's cool. We can kind of look at from two perspectives. Problem is with that, I don't only see this. Can I make this small? Small. Boom. There we go. Easy with note taking. What notes? He was taking notes. I'm gonna let him explain himself. So here we see from the side. I mean, we can hide this. Then everything is gone. Ah, because this is child of it. Not the best place. Let's go from here. No. Okay. I don't want to see the mesh. There you go. Printer. Is it drawing below? That's what I want to know. No, it's not drawing below. That's good for, I think. So it's kind of working. The only thing that what bothers me is why is it not is it the same density? What we could do is a bit longer. Josh is still in his shoes. Uh-huh. Yeah, we should take barefoot steps. That would have been a bit nicer. Will be a bit funnier. Or oh, we don't have much time left. I mean, it's also okay. We're here for talking. We're here for the experience, right? And then when time is over, time is over. And okay. I forgot how we have this fade delay. If we set this to 5 seconds, the delay longer. Yes. We have super long trails. Maybe that's a bit too long. Have 1 second. Funny is the half steps. I mean, it works. Let's make the steps a bit here. I mean, it's good that it's going up. It's doing this with ray casting. Like it's casting down rays, and then as soon as it hits this layer of floor here, then it will draw the footprints there. So this works, which is good. There's not the same distance as with the as on the floor, which probably has to do with the calculation of the distance. Because the distance is probably still the same. We're gonna go with it. So what we have to do just so now is when it's going down. Why did I just copy this? Oh, that will not work. How can you flip it? Problem is they're all. Wait, by that. Opposite. Lie. Oh. There you go. Minus 180. Did the production fail? It works. This is something like this. There you go. Making each step super long of the stair. I don't know. Why does the stair not recognize some footprints? It only gives 2 or 3 pairs. I don't know, man, Ryan. No, I'm not gonna tilt the shoes. Then that will be. Then you walk in the middle of the. Just gonna go with that. I don't want to spend any longer on this. Let's see. Put this to 3 seconds. Yeah, let's have this top-down view. Have 5 seconds, so then we have enough time to make the loop. Can I go further? Aha, yeah. Wait, let's wait. Let's do it. Da, 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 da. Up, down. And then pause it. Okay, now we can analyze it. Yeah, I mean, the problem here is this. It drawed it here. Because, I mean, here it's like one position and then it's just... They're not separately, spawned separately. They're spawned like as one. If you look at this one particular, you see this is the left foot, right foot, and this is the footprint as a whole. So this is a bit of a dumb version of the footprint. Tilting could work, but no, I don't want to tilt it. Why is that? Ryan, why are you in caps lock? Are you crying? Are you shouting? Yes, the problem is it detects I have space. I want to place the footprint there. And then it is placed there. I mean, this is definitely a solvable problem. But is the time really worth it? That's the question. Like, is the effort worth it? That's the question. I am shouting in my brain. So that's the thing. Got spawned, and it doesn't look for how much space is there, what is logical. It just... That's how I created this footprinter. So it looks the direction that we've been walking to. And then... And then it swans it there. I came first to the stream. Why are you number 1? Is that even a thing? I wasn't looking. The bug. Funny. Interestingly, you both have 75 XP. Top 3 get special badge in the left hits every stream, so you can always get on the leaderboard. You need to collect experience points or XP. Here's how you get them. Send live chat messages, send super chats, and super stickers. That's it. So you both have 75 XP. But I don't know why Ryan is first. Yes, Krishna was here first. So I think we just live with that imperfection. What bugs me though is why is there this big distance? Here the distance is like, what do we set? 0.75 meters. I mean, this is more than 75. Let's see. Let's take a cube. Let's put it. Which one is Y? This one is X. And 5. Okay, so this is 0.75 long. Make it a bit smaller. This is our measurement tool. Okay. Give it another color. It's the red. Okay. So this is 0.75. Check. From here to here, this is pretty accurate. I guess it's just taking the middle of the game object, like here. Okay, so we have here and here. Oh, maybe this is still the same. It's just optical. Yeah, so looking from top, this is still accurate. What about here? It's also still accurate. So just checking from distance, this is still accurate. What we would need to do is once we recognize that a footstep, because I mean, we have the past footsteps. Is the first footstep is suddenly higher, then for the subsequent footsteps, it would need to reduce it, maybe by half. What happens if you like change direction of these stairs? The footsteps, they always walk in the direction where it's moved, where the object is moved to. So if it's the other direction, it will move into the other direction, no problem. How do you see between climbing into stairs as compared to walking on and on? Take care, Krishna. Good studies. I mean, I have to close the stream in 5 minutes too. One footprint. Ask Gemini. Check. Exactly what? 7 minutes smaller. Footprint was it the footprint distance? I think so. Let's set it to 0.25. Or better. I mean, yes, that will be possible. Like, what would you do different on the stairs? The problem with it though is that you could make it maybe perfect for this one stair, but then in another scenario, in another in another staircase, it'll be completely different. This halfway. Funny. This is yellow, but it has some green in it. So no progress this time, but at least we played around a bit with the options, or the. It's a good thing that it works on the steps. Just a bit the situations. Let's just try this one thing. Footprint distance. Footprint distance should be set to 0.5. Max slope.
Hello there. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Next we have
Yeah, man, you can do crazy math about this, obviously. But super hard. Anyways, I will leave you with this. Are there like zoning features that most video games use nowadays to have different like environment and stuff? Do era ready? Yeah, of course. I mean, you can all. This is very powerful. But I mean, there's a lot of configuration, a lot of math, a lot of coding, and yeah, let's not overdo this. So let's see. Are we able to enable the footprints? This is also a bit too small. So next stream, I will check to. I'll probably also replace this area with one of the areas in my office, so that I can do live tests again. Here, I cannot do live tests anymore. Okay. Thank you for watching and take care. Time is running out of night. No, our kids are sleeping. Angels. All right, take care.